So here we have the medial triangle again. Now we're going to work with the orthocenter. So let's construct it for the original triangle first. The orthocenter is all the point where all the altitudes intersect. So what we want to do is draw a perpendicular line to the opposite vertex, and at this point, right here, T is the orthocenter. So we see that's towards the left side of the triangle, not quite on the medial triangle. So now let's draw it for the medial triangle. So we do the same thing. The altitude is the perpendicular line straight down from the vertex to the opposing base of the triangle. So we go there. And then we do the same here. And we can do the same here. So this is the orthocenter of the medial triangle. So how are these related? At first glance, these do not look very similar at all. This orthocenter is kind of towards the right half of the triangle, or the medial triangle. This one's towards like the left half. Not really any relation there. They don't really intersect. But what we do see is that all these perpendicular lines are parallel to each other. So we see that this line here is perpendicular to this line here is perpendicular to this line, and this line here is perpendicular to this line. Now, we see that because this vertex is going straight up, because this GI runs parallel to A1C1. So, since these run parallel, their perpendicular lines are also going to run parallel. And this is the same for B1C1 and GH, and also HI and A1B1. So we see that their orthocenters are related similarly in that if we reflect this triangle over, I think that this orthocenter would be the same as this if also the triangles were congruent in size. Right now they are just similar. So that is the orthocenter, and that is how the orthocenter of the medial triangle is related to the orthocenter of the original.